Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are well. Today we are here with a new tutorial where we are going to show how a servo motor works using an Arduino. To complete this procedure, firstly we need a servo motor which model is SG90 from TowerPro, and it has a rotating range between 0 to 180 degree. Then we need an Arduino Uno R3 as the controller. We also need a laptop. Finally, we need some jumper wires which are male to male in order to complete the connections. Here in my hand is a servo motor. There are 3 pinouts in a servo motor. From top to bottom, the pinouts are ground, its color is brown, and it's connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. Then comes the VCC pinout, which color is red, and it's connected to the 5V of the Arduino. The VCC pinout supplies power to the motor. The final pinout is the PWM pinout, and its color is orange, and it's connected to the PWM supported pins. Now, here in my hand, it's the Arduino. These are the analog pins, and here the digital pins. There are 6 PWM capable ports in the Arduino. Connecting to any port would work properly. This is used for connecting the Arduino with the laptop. Now we are going to connect the jumper wires with the servo motor like this. There are 2 ground pins in the Arduino, any of it would work. Now we are going to connect the ground pin of the servo motor with the ground pin of the Arduino. We are going to connect the VCC pin with the 5V pin of the Arduino. After that, we are going to connect the PWM port with the PWM supported pin 6 of the Arduino. To complete the procedure, we are going to need an Arduino IDE software. Here is the software. We have already opened it. We need a code to rotate the servo motor. So now we are going to write down the code. The code is now done. Now we are going to connect the Arduino with the laptop. This is the code written in Arduino IDE for SG90 servo motor. Firstly, we have to include the servo library in our device while installing, which is stated as myservo. By using the servo attach function, the code simply declares the servo object and then initializes the servo. We have taken the PWM6 pin in the function. Arduino has a built-in function servo, write degrees, that simplifies the control of servos. Here we are starting from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, then 90 degrees to 180 degrees. The function delay in milliseconds denotes the duration of rotation, which can be controlled through increasing or decreasing. We are considering 1000 milliseconds for delay. To rotate the motor loops, int variable allows to do so by converting a value to the integer data type. Here, from 0 degree to 180 degree, the motor rotates in 18 loops with an angular range of 10 degrees in each loop. The delay is kept in the same here. Here, after saving and uploading the programming code, we can see the motor is rotating according to the written rotation range, which is from 0 degree to 90 degree and 90 degree to 180 degree. Now, let's write a loop function in the code and upload it. If we put loop function in the code, we can see the motor rotating in loops where every loop's range is 10 degree. If we increase loop's rotation range, the motor will rotate faster, and if we do the opposite, it will rotate slower. This is how we can run a rotating operation done by a servo motor and an Arduino.